countless varieties of green chutneys that I've tested, the recipe I'm sharing today is my favorite one for sandwiches, and it also works beautifully as a dip for snacks and even as a base for some tikka marinades. And as you might know, chutneys are like one of the simplest things to make, but to make a good one, it comes down to the kind and quantity of ingredients that give it the right balance of flavor that makes it stand out. So for this one, I use equal parts coriander and mint, about 2.5 cups each for this bigger batch. Then I add a cup of peanuts for richness, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 4 green chilies, and about 2 teaspoons of salt or to taste. I also add about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, which helps preserve it better. And finally, a cup and a half of water to bring it all together. And it's done. So try it if you haven't already and enjoy. For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you again, happy cooking!